Good morning. Rosnick here to speak on it. It's time for the children to unplug. It's time to turn away from those things that distract us from the truth of His Majesty and the truth of this world and this place, because this is a natural place. It's got a natty vibration, and anything that is working contrary to that is against His way. So, what ones and ones can do, start turning things off, whether it be your phone, your TV, your cable subscription, that NFL Sunday ticket package you've got, that pay-per-view UFC fight that you wanted to watch with your boys this week, that HGTV. Ladies know what I'm talking about. Gotta unplug all that, because all that is serving to do is to distract you from what's right in front of you. The Ten Commandments said, "Thou shalt not make any graven images or any images of anything above the earth and heaven, in the earth, or beneath it, or in its waters." Stop manifesting, stop putting energy into these false things, and see the true things for what they really are. And the way that we can do that is to pop the plug. The revolution will not be televised, and Jah's march through this land will not be televised. It starts right here and right here. So grow this. Put wisdom into here, because that's where you're going to need it in these times. Because we're just coming into the darkness. But from the darkness we must come out the light. Rosnick here. I'll be here.